Hi, my name is David and I'm with Valley Alarm, and in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on your DSC wireless smoke detector, and the model number for this detector is PG9926. Let's get started. Now, before we start, first thing that you're going to want to do is to give us a call and place your system on test. This is a precautionary step. You'll want to take this step so that you don't mistakenly trigger any false alarms while working on your system. Once you've done this, you're ready to move on to the next step, which is removing the detector from the wall. Now, the detector has two parts. It's the detector itself, which is here, and then the base. This is the portion of your detector that's normally stuck to the wall or to your ceiling. And in order to remove it, all you have to do is give the detector a turn to the left, and you should hear it pop, and it should start beeping. And I'm just going to go ahead and silence this beeping. And once you've done that, you're ready to open the door right here. This is where the battery is stored. In order to do that, you just want to use your thumbnail to pop this door open. Once you have the door open, you can go ahead and pry the battery out with your thumb. Now, to talk a little bit about the battery, this is a lithium CR123A battery. You can typically find these batteries at your chain drugstores. You can also find them at your big box retail stores. If you're a customer of ours, go ahead and give that number at the bottom of the screen a call, and we'll go ahead and ship you out a few of these in the mail. But once you have the replacement battery, you just want to go ahead and put that new battery into the compartment. Now, in order to do that, you want to pay attention to the orientation of the battery. So on the detector, it has these markings indicating the positive and the negative side of the battery. So you want to make sure that your battery is oriented the correct way. And in order to get this battery in here, you want to start like this and push down. And you should hear a loud beep. And go ahead and close the door. And the very last step for you to do as far as putting the detector back onto the wall is to go over to the base and give it a turn to the right, and you should hear it click back in place. Now, there are a few more steps that you need to take, and then you'll be all set. The next thing that you need to do is go over to your keypad and clear any troubles that you have from you working on your system. Once you have the troubles cleared, your keypad should say ready to arm. When it's ready to arm, go ahead and give us another call. Let us know that you're done working on your system and that we can remove your system from test. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and leave a comment below. Thank you very much.